Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The ratio of the speeds of two trucks is 4/5. If the first truck covers a distance of 350 km in 5 hours, then how much distance will the second truck covers in 4 hours? We have to find out. So it is given that the speed of first truck to the speed of second truck, this ratio is given as 4/5. Let this be first equation. And also it is given that the distance travelled by first truck is 350 km and the time taken by the first truck is 5 hours. Now we know that to calculate the distance, we do the multiplication of speed and time. So here in the question, if we have to find the speed of first truck, then what we'll do is we'll divide the distance, that is 350 km, by time, which is given as 5 hours. So this speed will be 70 km per hour. So this is the speed of first truck. Now let us find the speed of second truck. So we can find speed of second truck with the help of this equation. So speed of second truck will be equal to 5/4 times of the speed of first truck, and we have calculated the speed of first truck. Let's substitute the value, that is 70 km per hour. Now this speed of second truck will be equal to 350/4 km per hour. Now what we have to find out is we have to find the distance travelled by the second truck in 4 hours. So we can find out the distance travelled by the second truck using the same formula, that is speed multiplied by time. So speed multiplied by time of the second truck. So let's substitute these two values, that is 350/4 and time is 4 hours. So the unit will be kilometer. Now this distance, if we simplify, this will be equal to 350 km. So this is the distance travelled by the second truck. Now let's check the option. So the correct option we can see is C. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.